In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email on Squarespace. We're going to walk through the setup process in a simple, clear way so you can connect your domain and get ready to use a professional email address tied to your website. If you want your email to match your brand or business name, this is an important first step. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and make sure you're on the main dashboard for your site. Once you're there, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps the core website configuration options, including domain and email related tools. After opening settings, find and click Domains and Email. This section is where you manage everything related to your site's domain connection and email setup. If you're creating a custom email, this is the area you'll need to access before moving any further. Next, click on Domains. Here, Squarespace will show you the domain options available for your site. This matters because a custom email address usually depends on having the domain connected properly first. If your domain isn't connected yet, the email setup won't be able to move forward smoothly. Once you're inside the domains area, click Use a domain I own. This option is for anyone who already has a domain name purchased through another provider or registered elsewhere. Choosing this tells Squarespace that you want to connect an existing domain rather than buy a new one through the platform. Now, paste your domain into the field provided. Be careful to enter the domain correctly, since even a small typo can cause issues later in the connection process. It's a good idea to double check the spelling before continuing. Make sure you're entering only the domain itself and not any extra text or private account details. At this stage, Squarespace can begin recognizing the domain you want to use for your custom email setup. Connecting the correct domain is the key foundation for creating a branded email address. So take your time here and confirm everything looks right on screen. As a helpful tip, if your domain was purchased from another provider, you may later need to update DNS settings there so everything works properly with Squarespace and your email service. That part depends on how your domain is currently managed, but entering the correct domain inside Squarespace is the essential starting point. And that's how to begin creating an email on Squarespace by connecting a domain you already own. Once this is in place, you'll be in a much better position to complete the rest of your email setup.